Good morning, fam. That's what I did yesterday. Sorry, it's early morning. Just woke up, getting ready to head to school. It's all bent up. I have a matting that's going in here, and I still have a little bit of bending to do, but not much. And then I need two 1/4 inch all threads, maybe even just one, to put this together, and then I got to do a little bit of welding here. Anyways, that's what it looks like. I have clamps holding it together right now because bending this was a lot more work than I thought it was. Anyways, thanks for the interest in the Miller's table slash crash box, and you'll be able to see a finished product pretty soon. Thanks, guys. Like, subscribe, any comments if you'd like. Pretty awesome. Oh, and just on a side note, here's my gold. That's actually a pretty good picture of it, if you can see it. Not much though. And there's all my separated material. Anyways, have a great day, and today's my mom's birthday, so I'm gonna wish her a happy birthday. Anyways, good luck.